And addressing some breaking news coming in, big statement. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan Singh has stated that the country is developing 7 more COVID-19 vaccines and also working on further vaccine developments to inoculate every citizen of India. Listen in. My colleague Madhurima is with us on this. Madhurima, important developments coming in. We're getting in news at the top of Sunday morning. A big statement. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has stated that the country is developing 7 more COVID-19 vaccines. Now, when it comes to the COVID-19 fight, the vaccine fight, India has been one of the health pioneers, of course, supporting its neighbors and also providing free vaccinations. India's breakthrough vaccine has also been lauded and applauded by all over the world, including the World Health Organization. The latest coming in on the same.
Well, indeed, it's a very good news when we talk about the vaccination, as our Union Health Minister has categorically said that India is not dependent on just 2 vaccines on which we are, working right now. He has said that our country is working on 7 more indigenous vaccines. Now, this is a very big development because we know the kind of population we have as the second most largest populous country. And to complete the vaccination in minimal time, we would need more candidates. And hence, working on the same, the Health Minister has said that the government has, allowed more vaccine candidates to contest and conduct trials. So now we are looking at 7 more candidates. And let me also highlight that we are the #1 country when the vaccination is concerned. We have already vaccinated around 5 million people all across the country. And with all these contestants coming in, it will only give the needed impetus to the vaccination drive. As the Prime Minister has already said that his government is committed towards vaccinating the entire country. So now let me tell you that he has said that the country is working on the development of more vaccines because, as I said, India is a huge country and more research and more players are needed. And 3 of the vaccines are in trial phase, 2 are in pre-clinical stage, and 1 is in phase 1, and the other 2 are in phase 2. So this is the recent development when we talk about the vaccine candidates in India.
Of course. Many thanks, Madhurima, right there for getting us the latest developments coming in. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has clearly stated that work on 7 more indigenous COVID vaccines is underway.